Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand the definitions of data and database. This is our first class of our course called Database Management System. So in this class, we'll try to understand the basic definitions of data and database. So what is meant by data? Known facts that can be recorded. So for better understanding, we'll try to understand this definition by using a real world example. So the real world example is, for example, if you want to store the details of your friends on your contact list of your phone. So on your phone, you would like to store the details of your friends, the contact list of your friend. And what are the details that we are going to store on our phone? The first detail that we are going to store is the name of your friend. Your friend's name is the known fact. It is the fact that it is the name of your friend. So that known fact that can be recorded is what we call it as data. And the other details that we would like to store is phone number. For example, if he is having two phone numbers and those two phone numbers is what we call it as are the other known facts of your friend. So the phone numbers of your friend or the facts of your or the facts that we would like to store, that we would like to record, the facts that can be recorded is what we call it as data. Similarly, email address is a data. So that is what we call it as data. The next definition is database. So what is meant by database? A database is the collection of related data. The collection of related data is what we call it as database. So how to understand this concept in real world? For example, if you take the phone book details, if you have a phone book and in that phone book, if you would like to store, so what are the details that we would like to store? What are the details that we will store on a phone book? The details that we will store is the name of your friend, address of your friend, phone number and email address, if any such email address. So if any such contact details that are to be maintained, that are to be stored, that collection of data, that collection of related data. So what is a very important point that we have to understand is related data. What does that related data means? For example, on a phone book, can we store the details of the pet dogs of your friends? So is it a related data? In this context, in a phone book, do the people store? So is there any possibilities to store the details of the pet dogs of your friends in a phone book? No, generally we don't save those details. So the related data means in the context of phone book, the related data is name of your friend, phone number, email address and the address of your friend. So those are the details, those are the data which is related to the phone book. That collection of related data is what we call it as database. Okay, so these are the definitions, these are the basic definitions that we have to understand. So hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.